morning, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ajay Kumar Mishra, Vice Principal of CMIS School Jawar, Reverend Father Naresh, is manager of our school, Sister Principal, sisters, teachers, parents, and all who are present.
We take the opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests on the special occasion of investiture ceremony of the school. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, right, power, and dignity. Investiture ceremony is one of the most prestigious ceremony of the school. A traditional feature of St. Paul Higher Secondary School, eagerly awaited by all the students of the school. Years after years, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. It is a platform to showcase the leadership skill and abilities of our students.
If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Keep your fears to yourself, but share your courage with others.
It is a great pleasure to welcome such a noble personality as our chief guest today. So on the behalf of one and all present here, let me please extend a warm welcome to you out there. I request Father Manager to present a sapling of love to our chief guest, Sir Ajay Kumar Mishra, to welcome.
Sir Ajay Kumar Mishra, Vice Principal of CMIS School Jawar, Father late Atmaram Mishra, retired ADM Sihol. Before appointing as a Vice Principal of CMIS School Jawar, he was serving as a teacher in Government High Secondary School, Mehdwara. At present, he is appointed as a Vice Principal of CMIS School Jawar. We pray for your blessings with absolute humbleness. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and all other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
Let's begin this auspicious day with traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Now I invite Chief Guest and Guest of Honor, Father Manager, Sister Principal, Gitanjali Teacher for lamp lighting ceremony.
Then dance, which become prayer, also express our relationship to God and to all the world of matter and spirit.
So I would like to call the students of class 8 for prayer dance. I request Father Manager to come on the stage to express words of welcome to our guests and present gathering here.
Good morning to everyone present here. I welcome you all to this Investor Ceremony 2022-23. Your students, I wish you all the very best to be leaders in St. Paul and sooner in the society. Someone said, knowledge has beginning, but no end. May St. Paul's School be a source of knowledge for you and accumulate more and more knowledge to brighten your future. प्रिय माता पिताओं, मैं इस स्थापना समारोह में मैं आपको स्वागत करता हूँ। आप अपने बच्चों को सेंट पॉल स्कूल में न केवल ज्ञान प्राप्त करने के लिए बल्कि सभी क्षेत्र में सक्रिय होने के लिए आप उन्हें लेकर आए हैं। मैं आप सबों को बधाई देना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों को सक्रिय होने के लिए और आज स्कूल के लीडर्स बनने के लिए अनुमति दिए हैं और उन्हें प्रोत्साहन दिए हैं। मैं आप सबों को बधाई देना चाहूंगा। महात्मा गांधी ने कहा, भविष्य इस पर निर्भर करता है कि हम वर्तमान में क्या करते हैं। भविष्य इस पर निर्भर करता है कि हम वर्तमान में क्या करते हैं। The future depends on what we do in the present. May God bless you all.
I am not interested in power for power's sake, but I am interested in power that is moral, that is right, and that is good.
Our school students stand here are on the brink of a new chapter in their life. A time to begin the investiture ceremony. Now I request our chief guest and guest of honor, Father Manager, Sister Principal, to come on stage and honor the cabinet members. The head girl of the school is Srijani Vaidya, daughter of Silesh Kumar Vaidya and Deepa Shri Vaidya. Her aim is to become a software engineer.
Yes, we are ready.
The liturgy The deputy head boy of the school is Atul Patidar, son of Dharmendra Patidar and Gayatri Patidar. His aim is to become a bank SO.
The deputy head girl is Saloni Singh Thakur, daughter of Vijendra Singh Thakur and Seema Singh Thakur. Her aim is to become an IAS officer.
Yes, we are ready.
Now I like to call the house captain and vice captains.
The blue house captain is Naveen Maheshwari, son of Ashok Maheshwari and Archana Maheshwari. His aim is to become a Navy officer.
The blue house vice captain is Kushi Sisodia, daughter of Rajesh Sisodia and Hansa Sisodia. Her aim is to become a chartered accountant.
Yes, we are ready.
The greenhouse captain is Neha Gharana, daughter of Om Prakash Gharana and Asha Gharana. Her aim is to do banking.
The greenhouse vice captain is Abhishek Dhangar, son of Jeevan Singh Dhangar and Sarita Dhangar. His aim is to become a cricketer.
Yes, we are ready.
The red house captain is Anurag Malviya, son of Azad Malviya and Anita Malviya. His aim is to become an event manager.
The red house vice captain is Kumkum Bhavsar, daughter of Santosh Bhavsar and Jyoti Bhavsar. Her aim is to become a lawyer.
Yes, we are ready.
The yellow house captain is Atharvi Jain, daughter of Praveen Jain and Pooja Jain. Her aim is to do banking.
The yellow house vice captain is Harendra Singh Thakur, son of Jitendra Singh Thakur and Reena Thakur. His aim is to become a cricketer.
Yes, we are ready.
The sport minister of our school is Deepak Lakshikar, son of Ashok Lakshikar and Mamta Lakshikar. His aim is to become a chartered accountant.
The another sports minister is Harshita Thakur, daughter of Jitendra Singh Thakur and Aruna Thakur. Her aim is to become a news reporter.
Yes, we are ready.
Now I like to call Krati Bhansali to step the program ahead.
The education minister of our school is Krishna Makodia, son of Dinesh Kumar Makodia and Mamta Makodia. His aim is to become an ethical hacker.
The Education Minister is Rakhi Patel, daughter of Inder Singh Patel and Anuradha Patel. Her aim is to become an IAS officer.
Yes, we are ready.
The culture minister of our school is Vipul Sharma, son of Sanjay Sharma and Varsha Sharma. His aim is to become a mechanical engineer.
The other culture minister of our school is Anushka Jaiswal, daughter of Kamlesh Jaiswal and Aarti Jaiswal. Her aim is to become a psychologist.
Yes, we are ready.
The discipline minister of our school is Sumit Jain, son of Vinod Jain and Sangeeta Jain. His aim is to become a businessman.
The other discipline minister is Vishal Jain, son of Sanjay Jain and Sadhana Jain. His aim is to become a chartered accountant.
Yes, we are ready.
The discipline minister is Sumit Parihar, son of Mukesh Parihar and Sheila Parihar. His aim is to become an IAS officer.
The discipline minister is Simjit Soni, daughter of Sanjay Soni and Anju Soni. Her aim is to become an entrepreneur.
Yes, we are ready.
The discipline minister is Vanshika Verma, daughter of Kamlesh Verma and Rani Verma. Her aim is to become an IPS officer.
The discipline minister is Chanchal Vishwakarma, daughter of Sureshan Vishwakarma and Shyama Vishwakarma. Her aim is to become a MBBS doctor.
Yes, we are ready.
The discipline minister is Anjali Vishwakarma, daughter of Ashok Vishwakarma and Shabha Vishwakarma. Her aim is to become a choreographer.
The discipline minister is Pratika Thakur, daughter of Chetan Singh Thakur and Aruna Thakur. Her aim is to become a IPS officer.
Yes, we are ready.
The discipline minister is Devendra Singh Thakur, son of Kripal Singh Thakur and Amila Thakur. His aim is to become an engineer.
The discipline minister is Ankit Bhagwan, son of Rajesh Bhagwan and Sunita Bhagwan. His aim is to become a software engineer.
Yes, we are ready.
Now I would like to call Sister Rose to have the students for taking the pledge.
I,
Devesh Sharma, the head boy.
Srijani Vaidya, the head girl.
Atul Patidar, the deputy head boy.
Saloni Thakur, the deputy head girl.
Naveen Maheshwari, new house captain.
Rishi Sisodia, new house vice captain. Neha Gharana, greenhouse captain.
Abhishek Dhangar, greenhouse vice captain. Anurag Malviya, red house captain.
Kumkum Bhausa, red house vice captain. Atharvi Jain, yellow house captain.
Arendra Thakur, yellow house vice captain.
Deepak Lachkar, sports minister.
Harsita Thakur, sports minister.
Krishna Makodia, education minister.
Rati Patel, education minister.
Vipul Sharma, culture minister.
Anushka Jaiswal, cultural minister.
Sumit Jain, discipline minister. Vishal Jain, discipline minister.
Kimchin Soni, discipline minister.
Sumit Pariyar, discipline minister.
Chanchal Vishwakarma, discipline minister. Vanshika Verma, discipline minister. Pratika Thakur, discipline minister. Anjali Vishwakarma, discipline minister.
Devendra Singh Thakur, discipline minister. Ankit Bhagwan, discipline minister.
of St. Paul's School, in the name of God, take oath, to do my duty, with sincerity, honesty, and integrity. I shall do justice, to my duty, and keep up, the dignity of my post. I shall always strive, with the principal, the staff, and the students, for the development and the growth of my school. May God bless us. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Respected Manager, sir, madam, parents and dear children. कोई IAS बनना चाहता है, कोई कुछ बनना चाहता है. Without aim, you can't success in life. पर aim होने के लिए आपको एक goal भी होना चाहिए. Without goal, आपको कोई aim success नहीं कर पाएगा. ठीक है? तो मैं पेरेंट्स से कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपने एक जावर तहसील के सक्सेस स्कूल में बच्चों को एडमिशन दिलाया है और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि बच्चों का भविष्य उज्जवल हो और इसी कामना करता हूँ.
Thank you, sir. These words encourage all of us.
Truly, there is no shortcut to success. Congratulations on a brilliant success and for finally getting to see your dreams come true. Now I would like to call our teachers to congratulate the cabinet members.
I request Mr. Principal to give best wishes to our cabinet.
Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, parents, respected father, sisters, teachers, and my students. It is my great pleasure to stand here to say the best wishes for my students' councils. You have taken officially the leadership role and takes the oath in this ceremony. I wish all the best to my students as a captains of this school. Today, you are the leaders of this school. Tomorrow, you will be the leaders of this nation, because our nation is in the hand of young people like you. In this happy moment, I wish a hearty congratulations to each one of you. I am proud of you, my children. May God bless you. Thank you.
Every day brings a chance for you to draw in a breath, kick off your shoes and dance.
Now I like call Dia, her group, to rock the stage.
पल को मिल के आज ले